It's Sheila back again with a little bit more knitting for beginners, and I'm going to show how to do garter stitch. I've already casted on 20 stitches using the cable cast on method, and I'll show you a few rows of garter stitch. Very simple. For anyone who is just learning, it may not be so simple, and all it is knit stitches. Just knit stitches with the right hand needle into the front of the stitch, the yarn over, pull it through and take it off. So it's into the stitch, yarn over, pull through and take it off. So it goes from the left hand needle to the right hand needle. So it's in, over, pull through and off. 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 And that's all it is. And almost at the end of that row. And that's one row completed. And you do the same, every row is the same. Knit stitches, so it's in, over, pull through and take it off. In, over, pull through and take it off. In, over, pull through, take it off. In, over, pull through and take it off. And just repeat that all the way across the row. And I'm almost at the end of that row. In, over, pull through and off. In, over, pull through and off. In, over, pull through and off. And there, that's two rows of garter stitch. And you'll see you have a ridge across, and the same on the other side. So both sides of the knitting is the same. I'll do one or two more rows and give you an idea what it's like. So it's in, over, pull through and off. So it's right hand needle in, yarn over, pull through and take it off the left hand needle onto the right hand needle. So in, over, pull through and off. In, over, pull through and off. In, over, pull through and off. And at the end of the row, and there you have that's 3 rows. You have a ridge there, and on the other side you now have 2 ridges, and that is the way it'll look on both sides. It's in, over, pull through and off, in, over, pull through and off, in, over, pull through and off, in, over, pull through and off. And there, that's garter stitch. Now you have 2 ridges on that side there, and the one at the bottom of the row that's just been knitted, and you have 2 ridges on the other side. So that is garter stitch is reversible. You can have it on either side. Very simple, easy for any learner. So if you like my video, give it a thumbs up and I'll show you more.